Hey guys, JB here from Node Networks, where staking works for everyone. Now in this video, we're going to be going over how to time lock and stake your Fusion coins with the Node Networks FSN Pool. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright, so first things first, we want to head over to myfusionwallet.com where your Fusion tokens are stored. Once you get to the home page, this pop-up will appear. You can just close it, and then you want to open your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you can create your own wallet, but you just want to sign into your wallet where your FSN is stored. So I'm just going to do that quickly here. Alright, so here over at the Node Networks demo wallet, you can see I have 9.99 FSN available to time lock and stake to the Node Networks FSN Pool node. Now, what we're going to be doing is time locking these tokens. Now, time locking is really important as it provides security for the user. So no matter what happens to your tokens, at the end of the time lock period, they will transfer back from the Node Networks FSN Pool node back into your wallet automatically. So this is really important and really great security feature that can only be done on the Fusion blockchain. So how we go about time locking to the Node Networks FSN Pool, we go up here to the right hand side and click Send Time Lock Assets. Now under Send Time Lock Assets, you can see there's a to address. Now this to address we want to be sending to is obviously the Node Networks FSN Pool. Now how we get that, we go back to nodenetworks.org, and under the pool section, we can select Fusion FSN Pool. Now under Fusion FSN Pool, you can see Stake Now, joined by time locking FSN2, and this is the address you want to copy. Now if you want to have written instructions on how to time lock to the Node Networks FSN Pool, you can click here. But what we want to do for our steps right now is copy this address. Now we're going to go back into our wallet and we're going to enter it under the to address section. Now under select asset, we're going to select FSN, and for this time lock, I'm going to be sending 9 FSN. Now the most important section here is setting up a time lock, which will provide you security, and also choose the amount of time you wish to stake your FSN with the Node Networks FSN Pool. So what we want to do under time lock is select date to date. Now for this demo video, I will be opting for a 6-month staking period, which will require a 7-month time lock. So the from date, you want to choose the earliest date, which today is June 23rd, 2021. So I want to select that time, and I'm going to do a 7-month time lock. So I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the reason why I picked 7 months for a 6-month staking period is because the Fusion protocol requires a 30-day rolling lockup period for the pool. So in order to receive rewards, your contribution must have at least 30 days of time value contributed to it. Now, if you send a 31-day time lock, you would only earn 1 day of rewards before your contribution can't be used. So in that case, you may extend your time lock to ensure you continue earning. So in our current example of a 6-month staking period, you would need to time lock your FSN coins to the Node Networks FSN Pool for 7 months. Now, if you wish to not miss any rewards and want to continue staking further past that 6-month window, then extend your time lock within the 6 months and you won't miss a day. And I'll link the video up above on how to extend a time lock with the Node Networks FSN Pool. So I'm just going to select January 23rd because that's 7 months from the start date. Now, just one more example. If you wish to stake for a year with Node Networks FSN Pool, you would set up that time lock period for 13 months for a 12-month staking period. All right, so once we got that all set up, we just want to hit next and select send asset. All right. So now the asset has been sent to the Node Networks FSN Pool. The status is pending, which it should be really quick. And I'm sending it from June 23rd, 2021 until January 23rd, 2022. And if I wish to extend a time lock, I would do it before December 23rd, 2021. So now, once that's all set, you can see your ownership time will be from January 23rd onwards. And if you want to check your rewards, you can head over to nodenetworks.org and select the rewards tab for Fusion FSN Pool. All right, so over here at the nodenetworks.org rewards page, and first thing you want to do is enter in your address that you sent your Fusion coins from to the Node Networks FSN Pool. Once you enter that in, you will see that your active stake pops up at 9.02 FSN, which we currently have, our fee, which is 4.99%, our staking expiry date, which is Friday, the 24th of December, 2021, and our time lock expiry date, which is the 23rd January, 2022. Now, if you want to see that transaction that we sent, you can come over here and click the link, which will bring you to a transaction ID. And then you can see the value, your start date, your end date. Lastly, you can head over to the rewards page and you can see your rewards come in daily. So really awesome feature we have at nodenetworks.org. So anyways, that's how you stake your FSN coins to the Node Networks FSN Pool through a time lock function on the Fusion protocol. Anyways, that's it from me. I'm JB from Node Networks. Happy staking, everyone. Peace out, later, and bye for now.